Girls NZ, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in this awesome 30-piece adventure kit from Kaiser Baas. So there's heaps of grips and mounts, cool little accessories. So I've got the Kaiser Baas X450. I'll put a link to a video of that one. But you put it in a waterproof housing, and then it's compatible with all of the accessories, and you can also use some of them for your smartphone. So this is the carry case that everything comes in. Then you've got the float grip with its little wrist strap. And this is the cell phone mount, or cell phone holder, handlebar mount. Then you've got quick release mount and a quick release J mount. You've got some long screws and some short screws. You've got a three-way mount, long and short. Then you've got 2 1/4-inch tripod adapters and just one regular tripod adapter. And you've got 2 curved mounts with 2 pads, and then 2 flat mounts with 2 pads, they're sticky pads. And then you've got 3 safety tethers, you've got a chest mount, head strap mount, a mini tripod grip, and a selfie stick. So that adventure kit is going to be like perfect for your summer adventures. I'll add a link below to where you can buy it on their website, and if you want to buy any Kaiser Baas stuff, if you spend over $50 on their website, you can use my discount code, it's Amber15, so I'll also link that below. But thanks for watching.